Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add captions to your videos in Kinemaster. If you want to make your videos more engaging and accessible, adding automatic captions in Kinemaster is the easiest way to do it. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly add subtitles to your video without extra hassle. So what you need to do is just add the video into the KineMaster timeline like this. Then click on the video and you can just scroll down on the toolbar in here until you find the auto captions option. Tap on that. And in here, if it is your first time doing it, you need to first download the caption language file. So tap on get plugin, and then you can just choose the language that you want for your subtitles. In this case, I'm going to go with English. And now tap on download. This one's right here, the arrow down. So auto captions assets are large files, so you need to make sure there's enough storage space on your device. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, data usage fees may apply. So you can just wait. The download is 400 to 26.2 megabyte. Just wait until it's done. Okay, so now once the plugin has been installed, you can just go back again, and in here you can just tap on generate, and KineMaster will start generating the captions. So you need to stay on the app, don't close KineMaster or turn off your device, because captions generation may take some time. And also don't click on cancel at the bottom here. Let's just wait until the captions are fully generated. Okay, so now the caption generation has been completed. And here you can preview the result by playing the video. You can adjust the click on edit to adjust the position and also the font. You can change the font to how you like it. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Click on the check icon. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.